Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Indian Constitution Day, which is on 26 November. So let's move to the video. Indian Constitution Day. Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the Constitution of India and it came effect on 26 January 1950. The Government of India declared 26 November as Constitution Day on 19 November 2021 by a Gazette notification. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, made declaration on 11 October 2015 while laying the foundation stone of the B.R. Ambedkar's statue on Equality Memorial in Mumbai. The year of 2021 was the 131st birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar, who had chaired the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly and played pivotal role in drafting the Constitution. Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework that demarcates fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of the government institution and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and duties of citizens. It is the longest written constitution of any country. It was adopted by Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and became effective on 26 January 1950. The Constitution replaced the Government of Indian Act 1935 as the country's fundamental governing document and the Dominion of India became a Republic of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He born on 3 April 1952, Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer, India's first Minister of Law and Justice, Chairman of Constituent Drafting Committee, died on 6 December 1956 and his resting place, Chaitya Bhumi, Mumbai. Preamble of India. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Preamble of Indian Constitution was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Quiz on Constitution. Who prepared the Constitution for India in 1928? Answer: Motilal Nehru. Second question. Where was the 1931 session of Indian National Congress held? Answer: Karachi. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. When was Indian national flag adopted? It was on 22 July 1947. Who was the first chairman of drafting committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha after India turned to republic? Answer: G.V. Mavlankar. How much money was spent in making of Indian Constitution? 6.3 crore. What were the words added in preamble in 1976 by 42nd Amendment? Answer: socialist, secular and integrity. Who appoints the governor of states in India? Answer: President. States having only one house of parliament is known as Legislative Assembly. Who has the power to declare national emergency? Answer: the President of India. 12th. Who is the leader of lower house of the parliament? Answer: Prime Minister of India. When did Indian Constitution come into effect? Answer: 26 January 1950. How many schedules does Constitution of India contain? Answer: 12 schedules. What does the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution deal with? Answer: official language of Republic of India. Who comes under the direct supervision of Speaker of Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha Secretariat. Which article defines the right to equality? Article 14 to 18. Next. From which country was the idea of concurrent list in Indian Constitution borrowed? Answer: Australia. Which article defines the right to religious freedom? Article 25 to 28. 28th question. Which article is for the protection of interest of minorities? Answer: Article 29. Facts about Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. The Indian Constitution was handwritten by Prem Behari Narain Raizada. Before being finalized, as many as 2000 amendments were made to the Constitution. Our national emblem, the lion capital of Ashoka, was adopted on 26 January 1950. Constitution is not a mere of lawyers' document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age. Happy Constitution Day.